Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to disable Send Me an App notifications on Twitch application. So how to disable Send Me an App notifications on Twitch application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Twitch app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Twitch app. Next, tap the settings icon at the top left. And appears like this. Tap Notification menu. Tap on Mobile. And tap Send Me an App notifications. So that's it, tutorial how to disable Send Me an App notifications on Twitch application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.